Hello, welcome to Quantitative Gems. My name is Arden Thomas. I'm the Syncom Smalltalk Product Manager. Today we're going to show you how to load the example code into our ObjectStudio product. So in the last screencast, we showed you how to install the ObjectStudio PUL, how to make a copy of this shortcut. What we did, if we click on this right here, this will open up our ObjectStudio where we saved this. You can do this file, save image as, and we called it Quant1 or Quant2. Then I created a copy of the base shortcut that opens up the standard image and changed this right here to Quant1. So now whenever I want to open this, I can just double click on this shortcut. The reason we want to do that here is because we can save work. We can essentially snapshot this image in ObjectStudio and then come back to it just the way we left it with this. Part of how Smalltalk works with the image. So first thing you want to do for loading the example code is to get the example code. You can request the example code by sending an email to myself at athomas@syncom.com. Try to use this as the subject, and I'll get that to you as a zip file. You can unzip that zip file, and it'll have a directory called Quant base code 1, and you can put that anywhere. Just make sure you can find it. Here are the files in that. This is the Quant base code 1 directory, and we'll be installing some of these files. So what are these files? Well, we have three different types of formats here. One is .st, which is Smalltalk code in an XML format. There are parcels, which is compiled code and source code. This is actually faster to load, but these are all, unless it's very large, you're not going to notice any difference. It was just the most convenient way for distributing those. And then finally, .ws, which are workspace, which will have some of the examples that we'll run and build and run right there. And we'll get to those in the future. So how do we load the example files? You can come right here, System, Load File, and you will navigate to your Quant base code 1. And I want you to load them. There is a situation with a couple of, you need to load things in a certain order because some things rely on others. There's ways around that in Smalltalk, but we're just going to load these in proper order. So we'll do numerical methods first, load file, numerical collections, load file, Quant tool extensions, load file, Arden extensions, CST extensions, CST series, and finally CST security. Then don't forget to save your image. Now we've saved all the work right in there. If we want to find our work, we can go right here to the browser. And these are the packages. So here is, for example, CST security and CST series. And we'll be working with some of these right up ahead. Another tip, one of the things we loaded is something that also works in VisualWorks. And we can actually open a VisualWorks launcher. I installed this right here. If we hover, it says Browse QuantWork. And if we click on that, bring my browser back, it basically has just the work that we want to work with right here. So it's a subset browser with just the quantitative example code work. Next time we'll look at using this code and running the examples. So a quick recap. From last time, we installed the product, we created a shortcut, we opened it, loaded the code. Remember, you need to get the example code. Just shoot me an email. Happy to send it to you. And we load up the Smalltalk files and 3 different parcels to load code into the system. Until next time, have a great time with Syncom Smalltalk and ObjectStudio.